And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the audio tag. We've used object before, and I already mentioned that it's better to use a specific tag when you, for example, want to add audio files. Don't use object, instead use audio. Inside you always have to declare a source, and you use the source tag for it. src is an attribute. We still have our audio folder right here, and it contains audio 1. It's an MP3. Now it's connected to a website. Don't get confused, if you refresh it you won't see it. You have to add the controls first. So right here in our audio tag, add the controls attribute, and here it is. And if I play it, you can hear our audio file. There are a couple of more attributes, for example autoplay. It's possible, but I don't recommend using that at all. From a user perspective, it's very annoying. You can also mute it. And it's obviously muted, not mute. So my mistake here, we need a D. And now if I refresh it, I play it and it's muted. And another common attribute that's used is loop. So you can play this file, and when it comes to the end, it's going to get looped. So it jumps to the start and plays again if you have that attribute added to your audio tag. Once again, it's better to use it than object. So try to replace object with it whenever you have an audio file. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.